We picked up some pretty bad habits during the pandemic, the worst of which is probably golf. We're not that good, but it gets us out of the house and we have some fun. So, when we had the idea to have a s'mores and wine party, Ames found these cool golf club forks to put our marshmallows on. But the price was a bit more than we were willing to spend, and so we figured we can probably make them ourselves. So I hit the thrifts looking for some old school golf clubs, like the steel kind, not that modern day graphite stuff. You could do a matching set, of course, but I really like the idea of different grips so that everybody has their own unique one. For the pointy end, I just picked up some cheap forks from Family Dollar. Since it's the shortest, I started with the one putter that we had. The handles of the forks were too wide to fit into the shafts, so they had to be cut down to the neck. Little forks are tougher than you think. You want me to hammer it flat too?
Yeah, let's try that.
Okay. There are times when I wish we had a vise. One day I'll buy us a bench vise. This shaft is tougher than I thought, but it is flattening. Look again, I'm afraid I'm gonna hit you.
Yeah, but it keeps moving out, bouncing out. Don't fucking hit me. Move. There you go. See how it's just making a dent in the wood?
Oh, yep. The other side again? We could put a rivet through there.
Well, let me see if I can tack it, but I want you to try to get as knocked down as much as possible.
Flat as possible.
Ah, you're making some headway. Let me see if I can squeeze it with some pliers.
Okay, your shaft is harder than you think.
Try to bend it without this fork in there.
Okay.
Still a lot of movement.
Okay.
I don't think you're ever going to squish it enough. That's better, almost. Now you can hit it. I don't think it's going to move much. Keep squishing it down throughout there. Let me see if I can weld it and tack that and see how that goes. It's in there. I think that if I just weld around this, I think it'll be fine.
Okay.
Trial and error here, lady.
Yep. Oh, yeah. You did nail it. I'll just give it a little cleaner.
Yeah, just give her a little cleanup. Really hot right there, but
Okay. Solid.
yeah.
Awesome. I gotta change the disc and then I'll grind her down.
Do you want to cut the rest of the heads off of that?
Yeah.
Off of those?
Might as well.
Since you don't have to so you don't have to go back and forth, and then
And we'll do like a little assembly line.
yeah.
Rock and roll. Same length, yeah. Better start hammering. Of the shaft, like some material just shatters. I think you fixed it pretty well.
So once you think you grind her down, basically when you have these, you gotta put a piece of metal and you gotta keep dabbing really small.
Yeah.
Fill that in, but I'm gonna get that really attached right down there since I got those cracks pretty tacked on. There's a couple.
Yeah.
But yeah. Oh, it looks really smooth.
There's still some areas it's kind of hard to get in the little cracks. With
Oh, that's freaking great, babe. Well, one is because it's my weld that's off. I think that looks good.
Yeah, I'm through like 2 of 3 layers, but the 3rd layer is just not giving up. Wonder if our bit's given up already, which would suck. I got it. Yeah, I'm glad we didn't do them all this way. Oh yeah, I've been like, F this. Might do it. Come on, jerk. Sort of. Didn't make it through all the way through, but it's in there, so good to know. Nope.
She can get stuck.